Hi, this is Colin from Watch Off the Cuff, and what I have here is the Horotec case knife, just a basic case knife, part number MSA07.016. This is used to open the back of a snapback case back. I just grabbed an old vintage Timex here, and you just need to find the notch. This case, the notch is right here, and if you can just see it there a little bit, quite often it's in this location. Actually, if you had the watch like this, you flip it over, a typical notch location for a modern watch is right here. What you end up doing is you end up just pushing straight in, and then I'm going to give it a little bit of a pop there anyway to pop it over. This one's old, so it's fairly loose. What you don't do with a case knife is you never pry, because if you do, it can slip and then you scratch the case back. So you press, and then if it makes a little bit of headway but doesn't get it all the way off, you can just move down a little bit this way and do it again and again and again until you work the case back off. Anyway, so there's a basic case knife. I did just do a video on the Bourgeon version, which is actually from my own bench. It's a 7403. You can check that on the website or the video as well. And it has a case knife built in here. It's just a little bit cooler. I bought it because it was cool. I'm like, why not have a Swiss Army knife branded Bourgeon? But anyway, if you're looking for a basic case knife, Horotec makes a great one. Here it is. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk again soon.